them. Mama, I hope people clear the whole farmland. Mama, good.
Mother said I'll never be a dropout. Eh, that's good now. I know she has money. Ha! Who told you? It's just that her mother loves her so much. It's a lie. She has money.
Mama has no money. Just that she doesn't like seeing this old in a bad mood.
Oh. Emeka, who told you that I do not have money?
Mama, you don't have money. Says who? And you have money.
Papa.
My younger one.
So you people were here just having your while my children were on the farm. You get the joke. They were here having their time. These children
we deserve it.
Didn't now.
We deserve it.
Okay, it's okay. Wait, they can't touch your leave your wife alone. Wait, you know what? Wait, leave my wife alone. It is time. Oluchi!
Because you see your brother.
It's time for us.
Brother.
Let's see what we can do.
Come on, let's go. Ole, come on, let's go.
Emeka! You should bring that power like that now.
You move.
I'm beginning to suspect you and my husband.
You are looking after my wife.
She's your wife.
This one is your own. Emeka, you should bring.
Ladies, that's my son.
Papa, I say, take. I'll come on first.
This is Emeka. Yes,
Go away.
Yes.
Ladies first.
This is just supposed to be first.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers. To this family, the unity and love we share forever.
Amen.
Let me give it to you. Drink first. Yes.
Papa.
Mommy now.
Your wife.
I know my wife loves palm coconut, palm oil, and cocoa yams. Huh?
Auntie doesn't play with all those things. She said that good for the body.
I know she doesn't. So if we prepare Chinese palm and coconut, she'll accept them.
Just go ahead and give them these ones.
Okay, Papa.
Tell them that the year was small.
Run,
Huh?
Okay, Papa.
Please greet her for me. Tell her that it's been long I saw her. Oh, I'm the
Okay.
Go and give them.
Tell her to manage it. I just shared it into two. You know, go?
You have tried now. I can do for one.
Nah, because one day cover. Everything we have, we share it to two.
Just like that. Seriously. She didn't even say anything. She's not even smart at all.
Amarachi.
Aluchi. Welcome. How are you?
Where's Papa? Papa is inside.
Inside.
Papa, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Oluchi,
Papa.
how are you?
I'm fine.
What of Day Enyin Naya and your mother?
They're all fine. My father said I should bring this to you.
Ozo Papa. Hey, let me see.
Let me take it inside.
Let me see. Hey! Babu.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
G. Aku. Ede.
Let me see.
Hey! Cocoyam. Palm fruit. Palm fruit.
Tell Deni that God will bless him. Bless him again and again. Again and again and again and again and again.
Amen.
Thank them for me. Oh. Tell your mother that I'll be coming over to see her when I'm through with what I'm doing.
All right, I have to be on my way now. Jen, let me go and turn it for you now. Okay.
So I'll turn it and bring the bag.
You are coming.
Una who go ozugbo.
And I was talking.
Come on, na njo.
Come on already.
I have to be on my way.
All right. My regards to your mother.
Thank you very much.
Let's see how.
Smalley?
Yeah.
Is Emeka at home?
Yes, he's at home.
Okay, tell him that I will come to the house so we can go and check our traps.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
That's good.
Trap. Trap that doesn't catch anything.
Mama, you are bringing bad luck to this trap. Oh.
Hey, see husband and wife. See husband and wife.
Hey, it's my good wife. No.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Emeka. How are you? My dear, I came to thank you for the gift you sent to us last time. Thank you so much. Don't mind me.
Hi, you see, the harvest we brought home was very small. So I looked at it and I said, let me share this between me and my co-wife. So that was how I brought it to you.
Hey, no, that's very kind of you. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. We really appreciate it.
Okay.
You know, all this while, our land doesn't produce much again. I don't know.
It's okay. Don't worry, my dear. My God will change everything very soon.
Amen.
Just believe that as long as there is life, there is hope. Just know that. Once there is life, there will be hope.
I believe God.
The same land that is infertile will soon become fertile.
Thank God. I believe God. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
My God will continue to bless you. Hey, I should be on my way.
I was supposed to go.
Thank you now. She'll be on my way. If your husband comes back, at least greet him for me.
I will tell him. Can I know my children? You did well.
Thank you.
The other one, let's just be managing like that. There's no problem.
Let's see what next year will bring.
Don't worry. As long as anyone yields increase, all of us will be sharing it as a family.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. My regards to your family.
Bye-bye.
Emeka, can you check my husband, your brother's wife was here today. She came to thank us for the palm fruit and the cocoyam we sent to her. And she said that I should extend my greetings to you.
Good. I hope they are fine too.
Yes, they're fine. She was so happy.
Here, I go one. Easy. Always on the move. Where are you coming from?
Obidia. This one you are smiling like head of fish. What happened?
I'm just coming from Informer's house to thank her for the food she sent to us.
And you are happy. You are proud to say that, Obidia. I'm just coming from Informer's house to thank you for the food. Yeah.
Yes, of course. To appreciate her.
Good. What kind of gift is that?
Hey! Is that the catechism I will answer now? Lizzie, honestly, I don't understand you again. Anyway, there are cocoyam and palm fruits.
I can't even understand you sometimes. So you cannot even afford 100 naira to buy cocoyam. Is that what you're telling me?
Lizzie, you are missing the whole thing. They are not the ones she bought from the market. They are the ones she harvested from her farm.
Don't you know that your husband's brother, Mazi Enune, is cheating your husband? Don't you know that? You are looking at him. Okay, don't worry, let me tell you. Don't you know that your husband's brother collected the fertile land and gave your husband the land that is not yielding anything? Don't you know? You were number 6. Don't you know?
Listen. Okay, next time we see. Okay. I'm okay. There's no problem.
But Mama, you've been sitting here and talking to yourself for over an hour now. What is it?
My daughter is one of my friends that called me and told me that her daughter is sick. I'm so worried about it.
Mama, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm sure. Go inside, my dear. Go inside and do what you are doing. Go. I'm okay.
If you say so.
And people like that last.
One more thing, my dear. People that tells the truth, they have respect. And, I mean, they are not afraid. They are bold most of the time. And remember, it's Yafa.
Ego. Tell my wife to prepare my special.
I will do exactly that, my dear. But please, ask Chinedu to take the message to her. Don't forget to tell her that, let her not forget that. I told her earlier that I want to eat pounded yam and salad soup.
No problem about that, no problem about that.
Okay. One more thing. I think they are hearing this music.
Yes.
Chima, the son of Okeke. His son is opening his new house today. I was supposed to be there for the meeting. So let me rush and prepare and go there. You can come if you like.
No, JJ, let me go and rest. I'm tired.
Go ahead.
Okay.
My husband, we are back. You are enjoying. Hi, enjoyment. Leave me. You stayed too long at the meeting. What happened?
Yeah, we finished early. It's just that my brother and I were walking slowly, discussing.
You and your brother. Please let me ask you. Why is it that every day your brother's wife will be bringing food here for us?
What is wrong with that?
You don't know. You and your brother will go and reshare that land.
What are you talking about? Are you out of your senses?
I should be the one asking you that. Your brother gave you a land that does not produce anything and you accepted.
What has come over you, woman?
Good reasoning has come over me.
Listen. If I hear you mention that again, you regret why I'm your husband. I will say it again and again. You know why? I've gotten it up here. It's okay. It's okay. Let me hear you.
Go and share that land with your brother. The land that does not produce anything, they gave to you and you accepted it. Every day they will be bringing food here for us. What type of nonsense is that? And they will go and tell the whole world that they have been feeding us. Look at her feeding me.
Why you get up? Eh?
I know you're tired. I'm a Nikega. You've been pushing all the way from the farm. Don't want. Okay, you can rest a little. But before then, my daughter, remind me when we get home so that I can take some cassavas to your uncle's wife. You know we have enough already.
Yes.
And we still have at the farm.
I can't wait to go. I want to go and celebrate.
I know you love going there every time. Come, let's go. Dalo, why not?
James! Jamesy! Where is man now? James! Come on here, look. My man, Chi! How far now? Go. What's up now? Fine. This one you visited me today. I hope all is well. Stop, Joe. Why not been visiting you before? Leave that. Since last week, have you visited me? Okay, but you know your friend Naija. I've been very busy. Anyway, how is everyone? Well, thank God. I just came. Let me know how far. It has been long. We share greetings. I'm so famished. Do you have? James!
Mama, why are we going to visit Neji?
I don't know yet. And when I'm through, we'll go. But I heard that she traveled though. I don't know if she's back.
But Mama, whenever you are going there, I'll go with you.
Follow.
I'm not going to stay. I'm going. I'm not staying in this Only you visit every day. And so good evening. My mother said I should bring this to you. Yeah.
Hey, enough, will you drop that? Give it. Take it back to your mother. Take it back to your mother. And leave this compound.
Mama,
will you shut up?
What have I done?
Take it back to whoever that sent you.
Mama, what happened now?
Will you shut up? Leave this compound. Go back to your mother. Whoever that sent you.
Mama, it's not fair.
Come back here.
Sorry, Sorry, don't mind my mother,
Sit down here.
I'm just looking at this.
Mama.
What is it? Did you fight on the road?
No, Auntie darling, they did because I'm walking out of their house.
Auntie, didn't you greet her when you saw her?
Of course, I didn't have no.
And she rejected you and sent you back.
Sorry. Stop crying. Is that why you're crying? Wipe her tears. Oh? Maybe she wasn't in a good mood.
But you can't keep the bag and let her go and see her to know what is wrong. Because this is very strange. How will she send her out?
I'm sensing something about her.
Mama, why did you do that? What has all she done to you that made you acted that way towards her?
Now look, listen all of you. from now on, you should stop collecting anything from them. Don't you ever collect anything again from them. Did I make myself clear?
But Mama, why? Why?
Because I said so, and that is final.
Mama, I don't think that will be possible for me. It won't be possible for me. Okay. What if Emeka catches bushmeat? So I won't go and eat with him.
Bushmeat. Bushmeat. Can't you catch bushmeat on your own? If not, Emeka.
Mama, it's not fair.
It's not fair at all.
You need to tell us what is going on.
Yes.
You cannot stop collecting something from our sister now. Yes, now.
I need to tell you. Okay, come, let me tell you. Come, let me tell you. Stubborn girl.
Mama,
it's not fair.
I've said my own.
Mama, it's not fair. It's not fair.
My wife.
Good evening.
William.
Ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good evening.
Mama, greetings. My co-wife, Ini Edo.
No.
Thank God I met you people on the road. I was even coming to your house.
Now you've met us. What next?
Mama, you just came back and was telling me that...
My co-wife of 3 legs. Just hold it there. Badi. You and your husband are evil, and don't ever call my name again. Because my husband doesn't talk. That is why anytime you give us something, you go and tell the whole world that you are feeding my family.
Mama, will you shut up? I said shut up! What is wrong with you?
Mama, is anything different?
Oh, you don't know. You want to hear it from my mouth. Now listen. You and your husband are the problem. Yes, you see that land. It must be shared equal. If not, I repeat, if not, there will be no peace in this house. Everybody will live in pieces. Yes.
Woman, have you gone crazy? What is wrong with you? Ever since our father died, we never had any quarrel. Why do you want to bring enmity now? Arguing about Kaba, on a Maggie. I said, Kaba, on a Maggie.
I have gotten it up here. Yes. Rubbish.
William, because anything the problem. I will handle it. What has come over you? Is your Karikwa game? Eh?
I don't know what is wrong with your brother's wife.
What do you mean, my wife?
The way she talked about land and other evil things baffled me.
Was that why she rejected the cassava?
Maybe that was the reason. Because she was shouting and quarreling and saying so many things.
But what did my brother say?
Your brother was trying to shut her up. But she continued crumbling and shaking her body and doing so many things. It left me dumbfounded.
Eh? It's okay. All I know is that she cannot. She will never bring a division or confusion between us.
I pray.
Take it easy. Please, just try and remain the good woman that you are. Oh?
Thank you, my husband. I just pray that she will listen to her husband when he speaks to her. Because the way she was sounding.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
You have to do something. They have blindfolded and bewitched you. Look at them taking the most largest land and fertile ones, leaving you with that small land that is not fertile. And you accepted because you are comfortable with it.
Woman, what is wrong with you? Watch your words. Watch your words. Look, if you try or do anything stupid, You regret why I'm your husband. I promise you will regret why you ever married a man like me. I said my wife!
Bring it, let me fight you.
What are you trying to do?
What
are you trying to do? Are you challenging me? Nonsense. You would have tried it to regret why you are my wife.
No. I told my husband what we discussed last time. He warned me seriously not to bring disunity into the family.
Disunity one. Is there any problem in what I told you?
No, but...
But what? But what? Do you know why I am concerned in that matter? I am just telling you this because I love you. If I don't love you, I will not suggest anything to you.
But the issue is beyond me. You understand? It's beyond me.
Do you know why I am so concerned in this matter? It is becoming that they are the one feeding your family. You use no blog now. I will not.
Honestly, I'm tired. I'm confused.
Don't be tired. Don't be confused. Don't worry. There is a place we will go tomorrow. After that, there will be a great change. Yes. Yes.
My husband is not strong-willed. He's not.
Just don't worry yourself. After this place, I'm telling you now, everybody in that family will learn their lessons. Don't worry yourself.
Thank you very much.
How are you? Fine. How is the mama and Emeka?
They're all fine.
Only, I'm sorry for my mother's reactions lately. I don't know what is wrong with her. I don't even know where all this is coming from.
There's no problem. I'm also surprised. For crying out loud, what did I do to her?
God, is that why you stopped coming to our house? Even to check on me, if you don't. If I had not seen you now, going to the
What do you expect me to do? The next time I'll come to your house, maybe she will use the cutlass and chase me out. No, I'll come there.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Yeah? But just sometimes you just have to check on me. You don't mind my mother.
No problem. I'll come.
How are you?
Are we not cooking again? This one you're all dressed. Where are you going to?
Let me go and see my friend whose daughter is sick. But don't tell your father.
Why now, Mama?
Questionnaire. Questionnaire. Go and cook the yam I brought out.
Don't stay long.
Yes, auntie.
See, I'm listening. Woman, I hope you are not your monthly menstruation.
No.
Roll up your ears and come into the chamber of God.
Thank you, Omerikodi the one. Thank you, Omerikodi the one.
You are welcome. You are welcome to Gugu. The God that gives remedy to our problems. Woman, what brings you here?
Thank you, Lord. My sister told me that her husband's brother took away all their land. You know the worst part of it? Her husband is not saying anything about it. Yeah.
Woman, is that true?
It's true. It's true.
Oh, Gugu! Oh, Gugu! Oh, you look for Funanya. Oh, Gugu! Woman, take. Take this. Take this from me if you want your problem to be solved. If you want your problem to be solved, take it.
Thank you, wise one.
Say whatever you want your husband to believe, and so shall it be.
Thank you, wise one.
Thank you, the wise one.
Thank you, Ogugu. The Ogugu. Ogugu, 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 Iyo Ogugu, Ogugu, Iyo Ogugu.
See, I don't know what is wrong with that our trap so. Oto wako anya amadora anya no oboda.
My brother, I wonder. Do you know it's almost getting to a month now? Mother tell you over there.
Oh, I know who I am.
Now, if you ask me, I will tell you that I had a paper for my whole now.
It's true.
Chinedu,
Mama?
what are you doing here? You go back to the house. I said go back to the house.
I'm not going anywhere. I don't. I'm not.
Oh, you're still standing there. Yo, Chinedu.
Mama, what is it now?
Has he got into this to challenge me?
Mama, I don't like that, you know.
No problems. No problems. Let's go.
It's like your son is even supporting what is happening.
Don't worry. I will handle him. I will teach him a lesson. Yes. I will scold him. Don't worry.
Open his eyes. They pay Yanya.
Yes.
They pay Yanya.
Don't worry. I will handle him. Am I not told you? I will handle him.
Thank you. Remember the instructions the native doctor gave to you.
Yes, I will.
My brothers, I think I have to go now. You saw what happened now. Yeah. My mother just spoiled my day. I have to go.
Don't be very careful.
As well. Yeah. See you later.
Okay. Goodbye. See you next time.
Papa. Papa. This why your face is like this. Is everything alright?
All is not well.
Huh? What happened?
They're just coming back from where we went to check our traps. I think this one asked him to go home. Papa, can you imagine that? I even greeted her, she refused to respond.
Really? Hey. What is happening?
Oh, Papa, I don't understand though.
I don't understand that woman these days. It's alright. Forget it. Yeah? Just go in there and freshen up.
Okay, Papa.
Papa.
What is it?
Papa, it's Mama. Oh. It's Mama. Oh.
What happened?
The way she embarrassed me and my brother Emeka in front of our friend James today. Papa, I don't like it. Oh. I don't like it. Oh. She even said we should stop associating with your brother's children. Your brother, Papa. Amanda Goma, I don't like it. You better talk to her.
I don't understand your mother these days. I don't know what has eaten her up. Anyway, don't worry. It's okay, eh? I will handle it, eh? Take it easy.
Papa, better do something about it, oh. Better do something about it.
I said I will handle it!
Okay, Papa.
Can't you hear me?
I've heard you, Papa. Please, you have to do something. Oh.
It's okay. Obioma. Obioma. Hi. Mwani. Ikeguru. Oh.
Alligator Pepe never goes on a shameful journey. Let all that makes me a woman of substance assist me in my mission this night. Ekenta, my husband, you will tell your brother tomorrow that he must share that land. I said, he must share that land tomorrow.
You want to play where it can never happen. Onye kibu in a ngomo as in a dancha in Europa. It can never happen. Hey,
Nine. What is it?
Don't ask me. He must share that line. He must share. If he doesn't share that line, he will know the kind of a man Ekenta is. He must share that line. He must share that land.
Please take it easy, eh? I don't want any disunity between the both families.
Don't take what easy. I'm going to me out.
He is your blood brother. He is your blood brother. Blood brother. Please.
Whichever one of brother. Brother knee. Brother core. Brother knee. Don't tell me about blood brother. Don't mention that blood brother again. Eh? What is the meaning? He must share. If he refuses to share that line, I will fall out with him. I will fall out with him.
Papa, it's okay now. Were you not the one I complained to yesterday about Mama's attitude towards me and Rebecca, my brother? And you promised to do something about it. So why the sudden change now, sir?
Chidad, what are you talking about? Chidad, say what are you talking about? That my family and I should stress out. Is that what you mean? Is that what you're telling me? Okay, Reggie, it can never happen. And you're not trying me, I can't talk. My kid is okay. I'm not sure I'm much back on my back.
The both families are happy. I don't know why you're complaining now.
Both families
I'm not sure I'm much back on my back. He must share that line. He must share. If he doesn't share that, I said if he doesn't share that line, all of you, you're not the kind of person I am.
It's okay now.
He must share that line. She said no, never. I said no. He must share that. If he doesn't share that, if any night doesn't share that land, if any, okay, money. Take him, okay, now.
Blood brother. Blood brother. Eh? Blood brother. He's your blood brother.
Hey! What has come over Papa?
Seriously, I can't really figure out what is happening. Before, it was Mama. Now Papa has joined her. Hey! What has Queen Naya told Mama and Papa that all they think of is just to have issues with the family?
My sisters, I'm really short of words. Imagine Papa threatening his brother, Ini Edo. Didn't you hear Papa's words? Peace, this is. Peace, this is. Eh? Huh?
Sister, I don't even know where to start from. Let alone know what to say. Because everything is just complicated. Like I don't even understand what is happening in this family. It's just too much.
See, my sisters, all you have to do now is just to pray always. So that Papa and Mama can get off this their madness. Our uncle in there and the family are good people. In fact, I'm going to talk to Papa now. If he wants to kill me, let him kill me.
Brother, go. Go and talk to him.
Papa? Papa?
Save your good money. Where is your father? I said, where is your father?
Papa!
Call your father for me.
Why is your face like this?
You and your family. That's why my face is like this.
What do you mean?
I want us to go to that land at Umuago and Isia and share it properly. Otherwise, there will be no peace in this place. We must share that land properly.
My husband, good morning.
Tell me good one, I don't want to hear that.
What's going on? Let me ask you. Listen, understand. Are you supposed to be talking about this particular land of your family peacefully, even during the days of our father?
Is that what you have to say? Is that what? If you don't share that, I'll bang it and I'll dance in my attire. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I want to be here. Don't tell me that.
Are you mad? Are you now?
Why are you asking me? I'm banging at that. Me. Don't try it. You must share that land. Understand?
Get out of here. What did I say about you? What is this? My little brother has gone mad.
This land issue is becoming very, very serious. Because if it is about that land, give them. The one they want, give it to them. I've not seen anything like this.
My wife, even if I'll give them this land, it's not in this condition. But one thing that assures me is this my brother has actually gone mad. Why madness is not in our lineage? Can't you see he's mad already?
This is beyond mad.
Hey!
Eketa, we want to know what is happening between you and your brother.
Don't mind this idiot. He's trying to convert all our father's properties to himself.
Hey.
Eketa. That's of my land. And that's of our kingdom. I think you all heard with your ears what my own younger brother called me. A fool, an idiot.
Then share the land. You are saying share the land. You.
Hey, you had him again. Meaning good.
He goat.
Yes, I am now a he goat. Now you go. My elders. A popular African adage goes like this. If you happen to wake up in the morning and the fowl in your house starts pursuing you, run as fast as your legs can carry you.
Yes.
Because you don't know
for your dear life.
if it develops teeth overnight.
Germinate.
Germinate.
Shut up, you criminal! You are a criminal.
Eketa, calm down. Calm down.
Eketa, look at my little brother. You call me a criminal? Hey! What happened to you? Eketa, what happened to you?
Do you realize that this is your elder brother? Eh? Eketa, do you know that both of you are brothers that come from the same blood?
We are elder brother for that matter.
Who is that?
Ekenta, it is okay. We are here for peace. Please, allow peace a chance. Please. Eh?
Hey, look at him. Hey. I don't believe I'm seeing my own younger brother. I think something is talking inside him. Even from the time of my father, we've been working together, living together, doing things together. I don't know what came over my brother. Please help me and recover him. He's not in his senses.
Who is your younger brother? Eh, that's why you are trying to keep the land to yourself. Ogere regi, okwamakana kpogi dede, dede ahu cancel. Asim dede cancel. Aha give enyi na ya. Enyi na ya. Nkwa mechichi.
I, Ichie Kuma, cannot stay here and see these two brothers get to their throats over their father's properties. I cannot. If they cannot allow us to settle this matter amicably, if Eketa and Eyinya cannot allow us to settle this matter amicably, I wonder what I'm still doing here. I am leaving. I'm living here. What nonsense.
I'm living here. I will follow you to count the footsteps. Where are you going to stay here?
Because I call you Dede, that's why God is called to do whatever you like. Okay, say me. Dede, cancel. I give you na ya.
I wish our father were to be alive.
Will just wake up now and start fighting his brother Eyinya over his father's property, knowing fully that Eyinya is his elder brother and is meant to have the largest share of the father's property, which is traditional and is right.
You know what baffles me most? The same Eketa had always been comfortable the way the land was shared. And now, suddenly he woke up and started talking about being marginalized. And started talking about being cheated. Where was him? Even when before their father died, he didn't complain anything. He didn't raise this issue.
Okay. Can you imagine? You know that their land at the riverside. You know, it's a very fertile land.
I know it.
I remember vividly when their father was sharing that land. He said that land was the biggest of the family's property, which means it belongs to Eyinya as the first son. But do you know he gave it to Eketa?
And that means there must be something more than the eye can see.
You are right.
You know one thing? Let us be clear. I will not kill myself because of
In fact, they will not put me into trouble.
They will not put me into trouble. Let them kill themselves.
I will stand for the truth.
Yes, I will not kill myself for this fight.
They will not put you into trouble. I will not allow that. They will not put you into trouble. For something I don't know. The truth is open.
This whole thing is so surprising to me. I don't get it. What is going on? So somebody can just change at an instant like that.
How did he go? As we were trying to settle the issue, my brother's voice, eyes, expressions, everything changed. In fact, if you had seen a Kenta, he traveled on the high side. He was fuming, threatening her and everything. There. I think someone is behind this.
My dear, it's okay. I don't know what is going on with him. I don't even know what has gone wrong. But it's okay. I ain't got nothing. My husband sit down because can't get
my brother, his spirit is too high. His spirit is too high. He's prepared to commit suicide.
Hey, listen, baby. This one, you're so excited. Can you show them one good day? I came to share the good news with you. The chum of our gift is tweeting. It's Facebooking. I tell you, the charm is working. You need to see the charm is helping. I told you that our work is the greatest priest. Indeed, he is. Yes. I'm so happy. You are a friend indeed. I'm so happy. Thank you for what you have done for me. Why are you thanking me? No, I have them here. Yes. What in your palm? Here. That is a man. I told you. Now you are happy. So happy. Alligator Pepe never goes on a shameful job. Let all that makes me a woman, makes me opium, assist me in my mission now. Omeriko be the one. You are really working. I want you to put more effort so that my husband will remain the same. Yes, my husband will remain the same. My husband will remain the same. Omeriko be the one. Thank you. Thank you. James!
Hey! Nah. It's your brother.
Your brother chased us out from our farmland.
You mean a Kenta?
Yeah. He chased us out with stick.
Are you sure what I said?
Hey!
Yes, Papa, this is very, very serious.
Then I'll see him at once.
Please, just go and ask him what you have done to him. What have we done to this man? What level of madness is this? Why will he chase us out? The land that is not his. Go and ask him, oh. I'm going to allow people again if you come now.
Ekenta! 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 Ekenta!
Yes, what is it?
Ekenta, so you had the guts, you had the effrontery, you had the audacity to chase my wife and my daughter away from my legitimate farmland.
Is that why you came from your house to come and confront me in my house? Ekenta.
Is it not enough?
It's okay, just
What's
wait.
wrong with you? Are you out of your sense?
That's what I'm saying. Just wait for me. I am coming. I am coming.
What do you mean? What do you mean? We shall see.
We shall see.
Oh! Ekenta! Ekenta! You had the guts to raise a machete against me?
Yeah? No, it's not machete. It's real. It's true. It's true. Stupid man. Next time you come to my house, I will cripple you with this. You know what I will do to you? I will just cripple you and you will be walking talan tolom, kolole talam. Did you hear me? You will be talan tolom, kolole talam. Nonsense.
Hey, baby. Listen, baby. That time is so powerful. Hey, everything is going as planned. I'm telling you, my husband has been responding to all my instructions pertaining that land.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
That is good to hear. What is it you want now?
I want you to accompany me to back so that I will thank him now for what he has done. Lizzie, at least to fortify me now, I need that fortification. Yes, I need it. And so that my husband will not find out what is going on. You know me. This my friend, you are not enjoying it. No, I'm enjoying it. It's not for you.
If that's now, what are friends for? What are friends for? But don't worry, we will go. Let me.
Okay, no problem.
So, what do I do now? What have I done to deserve all this? Oh, I regret everything. I regret the death of my father. So, it has gotten to this extent. It has gotten to the extent of my own younger brother, my little brother, raising a machete against me. No, this has gone beyond norms. I must rise against this. Something must be done about this. I must be done fast. No, I can't die. Not again. Not again. Come on.
You're welcome. Thank you. I can see you smiling.
Yes, sir. I'm so happy.
How did it go?
Hey, I better call you the one. You are too much. The charm is Facebooking. The charm is tweeting. It's Instagramming. Powerful.
That's
I'm
your
so happy.
That's your
I'm so happy.
That's your Ogugu never disappoints me. And Ogugu never look back.
At least next time, I will come with something to thank Ogugu.
Thank Ogugu.
Ogugu, thank you.
That's Ogugu doing the work. That's
yes,
Ogugu working. And woman, I know you must need some power.
Yes, I need it. Yes, I need it to control all of them. I need more power. Yes.
so that my husband doesn't find out what is going on. You know, I need the power as well.
Whatever you ask for shall be granted unto you. I'm not going to do that for you. I'm going to do that for you.
Aha. I know. Oh, William. William. Talk to me now. What's happened? A very big boy suddenly developed in my mouth, stopping me from talking. What is it? What is it? Talk to me. I can't talk now. My own brother. Ekenta. Me, Naya. What is it? Could you believe my own brother, my younger one and that, Ekenta, threatened to cripple me with the chase out of it. You know what? What did you just say? You had me well. You had me very well.
How can Uncle Ekenta do such things to you now?
Oluchi, my daughter, what is not true? What is not true? Do you know your father is a liar? He swore to kill himself, not me. If he will ever set his eyes on me, stepping my foot into his compound, he swore with his life. My brother's eyes, everything, countenance, everything changed. He even backed it up with one demonic song. He said, my legs should be dancing.
It is him and his family that will be working. Can you imagine that kind of this whole thing is not fun.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand anymore.
This life is so strange. For God's sake, my brother. When did Uncle Ekenta turns around to be so aggressive?
I don't know.
A peace and loving man like him. This life is unpredictable.
I get confused as day passes by.
Come. What about Shinedu, your cousin brother? How is he taking the whole thing?
My brother, I don't know. But I'll say,
hey, Emeka, you guys need to figure out things so that you can stop this family war. Huh? It doesn't make sense at all. Emeka. Emeka, my friend, stop thinking. Stop bothering yourself. I believe one day everything will be alright. I just pray so.
Please, don't get angry with the way my parents are behaving these days. Oh, I don't know what's happening, but just know it will soon be over. Oh,
well, I pray so. Because Papa and his brother never had any problem before.
Seriously.
I know something is behind all these things that are happening right now. But I believe it will soon be over. Everything will be over soon. Okay?
Amen.
They should just stop all these things. I don't know why all these things are happening now. Seriously.
Is that why you're crying?
I don't know why all these things are happening now.
It's okay.
Stop crying.
Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay now. Stop crying.
Stop crying, oh.
How could
they leave the house without telling anybody?
Mama, you're here taking fresh air.
Where are you coming from?
Mama, you went to see a friend.
Yes, Mama.
You're calling for a friend now, Mama.
Yes. You went to see a friend. Just tell me. You went to see a friend.
Mama, we went to our uncle's house.
Your uncle's house? Which of your uncles? Eh? Oh. So you children don't take my orders again in this house? Eh? So if I leave the house, you children will leave to your uncle's house? I know what to do.
Your husband at the village square. You go out.
My husband!
Where?
Stop!